Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 121 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Now, it is obvious that the pace of change in technology has been tremendous and stupendous. That pace has not affected us very much in India. Thus far, it is affecting us more and more. Even so, our lives in this country are governed so much by the consequences of science and technological growth. Most things that we do are somehow concerned with them. Now, they are concerned with them. Therefore, they will be concerned even more by the changes in technological growth. Everybody knows how these changes in technological growth are advancing and affecting, if I may say so, the science of war. We have to deal with atomic energy, the atom bomb, the hydrogen bomb, etc. One does not realize that even in peaceful evocations, the changes are progressively almost as big. They do not create such a bang as that atom bomb does, but in effect, the coming of atomic energy is likely to produce enormous changes. That is, it will bring in all kinds of new supplies of power which will make a great difference to any problem that we may face. But apart from atomic energy, the other changes in technology are very great and they are continuous in affecting anything that we need. If we have a machine made, any big machine, by the time it is ready, it is slightly out of date. Something has taken place which is a little more advanced, a little more effective. Because of this, anything that we may plan is likely to be obviously affected by these changes and other matters long before the period of the plan is over. That is one major uncertainty. Then, of course, there are the uncertainties about our own resources, about the capacity of human beings in this country as to whether we can devote our energies to this great and mighty task or fritter them away in arguing or in disputing or in quarreling about smaller things in this country. There is presumably a certain maximum quantum of national energy available. It may grow. Now, how much of that can we devote to this task or implementing a plan? How much of it will we spend in other ways which are not fruitful? How much of it in destructive ways and disruptive ways? All these are uncertainties, and we have seen even in the past few months enough of national energy being, if I may say so, with all respect, not only wasted but doing a great deal of harm to the sense of national unity, national purpose of working together. I am not going into the question of the merits of any matter, but it is obvious that we have to undertake a very great task because we start from somewhere near the bottom level of economic advance. Ours is a country which, in terms of per capita income, is very low down in the scale of other countries. We have evidence of technical achievements, and there are many great schemes at work.